In this tutorial, we're going to look at a few different ways of making fades. One way of making a fade is to highlight a region and use the fade handles to drag a fade. I'm just going to undo that. Another way to do that is to set my playhead
Something clicked.
where I want the fade to end and press F. I can do the same at the other end. When I'm at the end of the region, I set my playhead where I want the fade to begin and press F, and I get a fade from the playhead to the end of the region. In this example here, I would like to do a crossfade. One way of doing a crossfade is to highlight a region and drag the fade handles like so. Another way of doing the same operation is to create a selection and press F. The last example I would like to show is how we create a fade over multiple regions. In this case, we have 4 regions. I have my playhead now where I want the fade to end. If I now press F, I get this fade over all regions.